In this video, we will show you how to request classes for your schedule next year. First thing you need to do is go to the PowerSchool student and parent sign-in page and log in with your username and password. I'm using a sample student here for this example. And then go ahead and click Sign In. Once you sign in, you'll be greeted like normal with your grades and attendance. Again, I'm using a sample student, so there are no grades or attendance. When you're ready to go ahead and register for next year's classes, find where it says Class Registration over in the left-hand navigation bar and click there. You will then be greeted with a page that looks something like this. This page represents what a current 8th grade student would see in order to register for 9th grade classes. You'll see that each subject is highlighted in its own row: English, Math, Social Studies, Science, a set of required electives to select from, and other electives, along with a place to select alternatives. Students must select 8 credits in order to complete their course requests. Once you have completed your course requests, you will select Submit in the bottom right-hand corner. If you select Submit and you have not selected 8 credits, you will be greeted with an error message, something like this. This error message will tell you in what areas you did not select enough courses. So let's go ahead and get started selecting courses. To start with English, you'll click on the little pencil over on the right-hand side, and you will be shown a screen listing the courses that you are eligible to select. Some of you may only have one course that you can select from, while others may have more than one. In this case, I'm going to select English 9 CP. Once I make that selection, I'm going to click OK in the bottom right-hand corner. Now notice English lists the course here that was selected, as well as a check mark over on the right-hand side. Let's move on to Math. Again, click the pencil to edit, and I can only select Algebra 1 CP. I'm going to select that, and on this screen, I have to scroll down a little bit before I see the OK button. Don't forget to click that OK button. Let's continue on to Social Studies. Click the Edit button, select the appropriate Social Studies course, and click OK. Now, same thing for Science. Edit button, select the appropriate science class, and click OK. Some courses need to have recommendations completed before you can select that course, so you can only select the courses the teachers have recommended you for. Now let's move on to a section for required electives. For incoming 9th graders, there are several courses that are required you take. Let's click the Edit button to take a look. If you are in the Gifted program, you will have a checkbox here for the ATP Seminar 9. If not, you must select the other 4 options. You must take Health, Lifetime Fitness, Seminar, and Taking Care of Business. ATP Seminar 9 is in place of Seminar and Taking Care of Business. In this case, there are 1.5 credits that must be selected. Go ahead and click OK. Now we go on to the electives. This is where you make selections of the courses that you would really like to take. This is also where you will select band, chorus, and foreign languages. So go ahead and click the Edit button, and you notice this page actually has 5 pages worth of electives. Please make certain that you look through all of the courses that are offered to you. There are many options in the high school, so choose the ones that best suit your needs. If you are in band or chorus, you want to make sure you select those: beginning concert choir or concert marching band. I'm going to select band. If you want to take a foreign language, find the screen that has French or Spanish. Here's the screen for French. I'm going to go ahead and select French 1. That is 2 credits worth, but on this screen you need to select 2.5 credits. So now I need to find another half credit course. This one looks interesting. Once you've selected 2.5 credits, then you can click OK. Notice there's a check mark down here. Now what would happen if I did not select 2.5 credits? We can go back and edit again. I'm going to uncheck that half credit course and click OK. There's still a check mark here for electives, but if you notice down at the bottom of the screen here, you're required to take 8 credits and you're only requesting 7.5 credits. If we were to hit that submit button again, you would get a single error message saying you did not select a course for the requirement, alternates 9. Now, you can take care of that by selecting an elective or an alternate. So let's go back and register. If I go back to those electives, I can find another half credit class to take. This one looks interesting. And click OK. Now, just because you've selected these elective credits doesn't mean your schedule will allow them to fit. You may want to select some alternatives. Alternates are not required to be selected, but let's select some. So just in case you don't get some of your electives, these are the alternate courses you would like to take. So if we look through here, suppose you would like to take this foods class and maybe this class. So now I've selected those as alternates. Once you're happy with your schedule and you have selected at least 8 credits worth of classes, you can then submit. Way down at the bottom of the screen, you can select Submit, and it'll show you the courses that you have selected to take. If at any time you want to change any of these courses before the request time period has ended, just come back to this screen, go to Class Registration, choose the area that you want to change, and go ahead and make those changes the same as you selected the original courses. Once you are done, don't forget to select Submit to secure those requests. That is all there is to selecting your courses for next year. Thank you very much.